Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can delete Facebook from Account Center on your device. Don't forget friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and also please write your comments after watching. So let's you and I will, friends, get started. Please open up the Facebook app on your device. Next, go to the menu. Now on the top right, tap on the gear so that you can open the settings. Next, go to the Meta Account Center. Scroll down here and go to the Accounts section. And now in front of the Facebook account you want, please click on the Delete option. It may unfortunately not be available to everyone, as you can see. In my case, it's not available, but if you have it, that's great. You can easily click on it and then just follow the instructions to delete that profile from the Account Center. Dear friends, this is how quick and easy you can remove Facebook profile from Account Center. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to the channel and write comments. Take care, friends.